Okay, I am ready to show you a few things on Blooket. First, I'm going to explain why my screen might look a little different than yours. You see I have the availability to make folders. That's something that's available in the Plus version. If you don't have the paid version, then your Blookets, your sets are just arranged like this, which I've been working with for a while and is honestly not a problem. It is a little bit nice to be able to organize your Blookets this way, but again, not a requirement, okay? I do want to remind you in settings, if you add a refer, if you like my videos, it's been helpful, just add my name. This is Jenkins and click done. However, it's going to tell me I can't refer myself, but you could. So let's go back to the home screen. Sometimes it comes back here, just click login, and if you're already logged in, it takes you right back. So let's look at history, which this I use in class. So I've run a game, right? So let's look at this one. It'll tell me how many people, overall right and wrong answer. This download here only shows up if you are a Plus member. However, it is honestly not necessary. Here it tells you by question how many were right, how many were wrong. You can quickly flip it to incorrect percentage. And it's going to highlight first those questions that more people got wrong, okay? And this was our first time introducing this content, so you can see there's lots of wrongs, which I'm okay with. If you scroll to the bottom, you will then see the list of students that participated. So I use this just for a quick participation check. Are you in the lesson? So I'll just do a 3 or 4 minute live Blooket just to get students engaged and check participation. Now let's again go back home. And let's look at homework, okay? So this practice Blooket right here, I set up for teachers just as an example of what I use in my classroom, okay? And so you can see there's a lot more players. That would not be something that I would normally do. If you click refresh here, that will just update the data, but this one is not open any longer. Okay, so here I can see the leaderboard. There are lots of people here, so I'm going to scroll quickly. So it's the reverse. So you have to scroll through all the names in homework first, okay, until you get to the questions. All right, so you have to scroll through all the names and then you get to the questions. When you look at history, it's the reverse. You see the questions first and the people second. Same information, you just see it reversed. So again, I can sort by question number or I can sort by incorrect percentage. So these are the things that teachers who are using it got wrong the most, okay? And it does provide useful data in terms of what should you review, what did students have trouble grasping, all right? So this is from homework. The live data is just reverse. It's going to give you the same exact information. It's not going to give you student specific, but it gives you class specific or course specific. So you know what to focus on because odds are if one person is struggling, someone else is. So just knowing what students get wrong more often is helpful. So again, if you have a minute and you can add me as a refer, that would be awesome. And hope this helps a little bit.